Coming up on today's episode of Airborne Unlimited, 40th anniversary of Zenith's iconic STOL SkyJeep design. Welcome to Airborne Unlimited. I'm your host, Holland Lee. Let's get into today's stories. 40th anniversary of Zenith's iconic STOL SkyJeep design. Zenith Aircraft Company is celebrating the 40th anniversary of its original STOL CH 701 SkyJeep design. Zenith Aircraft has been manufacturing sport planes in Mexico, Missouri since the early 1990s, operating in a niche corner of the market, specializing in all-metal, high-wing, and low-wing light sport planes that customers assemble themselves. The company traces its origins back to aeronautical engineer Chris Heinz, who began designing light aircraft in the 70s. Zenith Aircraft was later established in Missouri to produce and distribute those designs in kit form. Ownership has remained within the family. Sebastian Heinz, the company's owner and president, said the business is rooted in his father's work in aviation. Heinz told KOMU.com, quote, "My dad started building planes before I was even born, so I kind of grew up in the business. Being surrounded by planes, it was always a love for me, and we've been doing this for over 34 years now," end quote. Heinz said the appeal is both financial and personal. Quote, "Building a plane is an interesting way of going about it. The nice thing is when you're flying in the airplane that you've built yourself, there's definitely a big reward there," end quote. And that's our show for today. You can catch episodes of Airborne on YouTube, Roku, or Fire TV. Just search for Aero News or Airborne. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.